It's currently 9:45. We've just reached the hotel. I'm in San Antonio. I'm really tired. I got up this morning and I subbed for a high school. Well, I packed. I finished packing first. And I subbed for a class at high school. Well, like a few periods. And now I'm here and I want to go to sleep. I'm in San Antonio. It's the morning on Saturday. I'm in Half Price Books. So I'm trying to be really quiet.
That duck's wondering, what are you doing? Why are you standing here? Okay, let's go.
So that was my trip to San Antonio last weekend. We went because it was like a little get together for my mom's high school, like girls from my mom's high school. There were a lot of really interesting and weird things about going on that trip. I'd never been to Outdoor World before, which was insanely huge. And walking on Riverwalk in San Antonio was way different than I expected because I'd seen all these pictures and it was like really beautiful and touristy and lots of people, but it was so cold that day. It was freezing that day that it was like abandoned. It was like the Jurassic Park ride at Universal Studios or something, but it was like a ghost town there. It was really kind of odd and there were just the sound of the birds. It was really pretty. So Adria, I look forward to seeing what you have next week.